Hello, my name is Eric Paris, and in this video I want to show you how to use PowerPoint for capturing screenshots. A crucial part of documenting the as-is user story for RPA is collecting screenshots of each step done by a human. This is normally done by the system matter expert or key user. Therefore it is important to give them clear guidelines on how to do this in a simple and fast way. Let's begin with opening a new PowerPoint file. Click on the Layout button, and choose Content with Caption. Go to Insert and select Screenshot, and here select Screen Clipping. Go to the screen you wanted to capture, and select the full screen, by positioning the mouse on the top left corner, holding down the left mouse button, and dragging the mouse to the bottom right corner. Release the left mouse button, and the screen capture is pasted into the PowerPoint slide. Click on the Add Title box, and write the sequence or step number. Click on the Add Text box, and write a detailed description about what you do in the screen. Which fields to fill, what buttons to click, etc. Right-click the mouse, and choose New Slide, and now repeat the steps for the next screen. Check out all the steps again on this slide. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and visit my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos on documenting RPA projects.